And you guys know I've got kids, they're getting a little bit older, maybe doing some more family planning down the road. I want to plan for my retirement, and that's scary. I'm not a financial guy, I'm a dude on the internet. But fortunately, there are apps like Finhabits that make investing in myself super easy, and I wanted to share it with you in case you are considering investing in yourself, and you should, because you're your own best asset. So what I like about it is it lets you create your own goals. If you're like an aggressive investor, if you're sort of less aggressive, and you can invest as little as $5 and start creating a portfolio that's going to serve you not just now, but as you get older, and it's going to grow with you. So most people in the US don't have a 401k either because their employer doesn't offer it or because they haven't taken advantage of it. But by opening an IRA with Finhabits, you're able to save comfortably for retirement by either rolling over a past 401k into your IRA, or you can just start saving from scratch. Finhabits is also an SEC registered investment advisor, and your money's completely safe because it's held in accounts insured up to $500,000 by the SIPC. So what do you think? It's finally time to invest in yourself, save for your kids, save for your future family, save for that house, or just save because you spend too much money buying coffee. Now is the time, and Finhabits can help you do it.